Welcome everyone to another wonderful episode here at Doctors of Podiatry. We're here with a young gentleman that has presented to our office today for routine nail care, very long toenails. It's been like this for a couple of months, right?
Yeah, it's been 2 months.
2 months, and it's incredible how fast. I mean, I think they're growing definitely very fast. So I can't imagine them not causing any pain. I'm sure they do, right?
I'm having numbness in that toe and in this toe too. Now, is that that's what I wanted to ask you. Is that vascular or is it neurological? Because
No,
I have back
no.
pains. I have a lot of back problems.
That could be a contributory factor, of course. But without further ado, let's get to work. Maybe the toes will feel significantly better after we do this. Okay, so as everyone can see, he's got these little flexible mallet toe deformities. These toes are, some of them are underwriting. Look at this one. Looks like it definitely like a talon, right? So we were just talking about the third. He's got a little bit of dry blood. You guys are gonna see that now. There's a possibility here, you see? There's blood underneath. You might have injured, right?
Right.
That toe. It was bleeding. You didn't realize it.
There's no nail on it. Huh?
Right. It's like a tiny, tiny, tiny little. You did all the work for me.
I left a little bit for you.
You left a little bit. So you see, this is just dry blood. Yeah, they're definitely pretty, they're pretty brittle. And that's okay. Look at these. Look at the incurvation here, Caesar. So we'll come around here like this. We'll start a little bit distally here, right? Just kind of like that. You okay there, boss?
Okay.
Come around here like this. I like to pick it out a little bit, kind of like that. The nail distally here is loose.
Oh.
That's why we're able to bring it back quite a bit. There's a little bit of subungual debris there. I mean, look at the nail, what it was doing before here. You guys can actually see this little. You okay there, boss?
Yeah.
You're not running away, are you?
No.
Okay, good.
I was trying to find that article for you.
Even here, you see, it was adapting to the skin. Let's take a little bit more from here on this side. Watch out there, Caesar. There we go. Okay, let's go to the other side. In respect to the left, same thing. Look at this. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get to work here. "89 years young." This young.
Okay.
89 years young.
Oh.
What's the secret?
Let me think. What is it?
Or not what is. Several secrets.
Yeah.
What are?
Well, right now I'm doing a little exercising. That's what's keeping me going.
Okay, anything else?
I watch my diet. I'm not overweight. So diet, exercise.
Well, the question is, what did you do when you were younger, right?
Yeah, why? I think it's in the genes.
Also genetics, right?
Yeah.
What else?
Well, that's like I say, exercise, nutrition, and reduce stress. That's the 3 keys.
Stress reduction.
Exactly.
Quality of life.
Exactly. You only go around once.
We only go, at least in this life. Right?
Yeah, there's probably other universes out there. I'm so glad I'm getting this done now.
Well, we're happy to help.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So that numbness, is that circulatory? You think it's just, 89, you start...
No.
You don't think that it could be from my back? Because I had sciatica for a while.
There's always a possibility, absolutely. We'll come to that side again. Because I'm ambidextrous, I like to go from one side to the other and back, right? Oh, that just hit. 1 second, I don't want it to. There we go. Yeah. Let's go to the other side here. Sorry about that, my friend. Look at this. You okay?
Yeah, that one hurt.
Okay, so let's go here like this.
What's that underneath?
This is called subungual debris.
So a nail covered that up all the time.
Yep. There we go. That's going to feel a whole lot better. Now what we're going to go ahead and do, I'm going to Dremel a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Try to get into this little crevice here. Trying to be very mindful that his nails are very, very brittle.
Yeah, they're really tough to cut, aren't they?
Okay, let's go to the other side, Caesar, shall we?
They're all distinct, too. Can I look it up when I get home?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Well, like 10,000 is more like 25, 30,000.
Just trying to clean this up a little bit.
Surprising little clues about the first American.
That's incredible.
He was supposed to serve the oldest in North America. More than 21,000 years. I think I'm being there for 21 years.
How you doing up there?
Good.
Me too.
Yeah, I'm happy.
You're happy?
Yeah,
We're happy that you're happy.
Yeah, I didn't know you smoothed them out like that.
Okay, we're all done.
Good.
Not bad for my first time, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you handled that pretty good.
I take that as a compliment.
It's a compliment.
Okay, good.
Excellent. Very good. I thank you. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome. Maybe someday, when I get younger, someone will do the same for me.
So how long should I wait to come back here?
We're gonna see in about 2 months.
Okay. Excellent.
Super. Ladies and gentlemen, prevention is the key. Okay, that's what we focus our efforts on, right? Prevention.
So as long as every 2 months I keep them like this, that's perfect.
And if for whatever reason this young gentleman sees any changes in between now and then, to immediately call us. Okay?
Thank you. Absolutely.
Super. We will continue to do what we do. We're going to continue to educate the world about all of this. Right? Super duper important. Prevention is the key. Is there anything else that you would like to say to the world?
And I think we're heading in the right direction.
Boom. Those are deep thoughts. I like that. As always, in respect to the nail nippers, there's going to be a link. If you guys are interested in purchasing those, click on the link. Also, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank this young gentleman for allowing us to be able to do this, right? Thank you very much. As always, Cesar, gracias. He's a man of few words this morning, just like every other day of his life. And again, if you would like to please share this video with all of your friends, family, we greatly appreciate it. People that need, that are having a little bit of insomnia, that need a little bit of help to fall asleep, share this video with them. It'll definitely help. As always, thank you for watching.